Hello everyone! In this video, I am going to show you how to animate faster using this grease pencil tools. Let's say, for example, there are some gaps in the outline of the character. If you try to apply a fill or paint using the paint bucket, you will get an error message of unable to fill unclosed areas. To solve this, press Alt, then fill in the gaps. Left-click on the space to fill. Then go to Draw, then Cleanup drop-down menu, then select Remove Fill Guides. If you want to remove the fill guides automatically, press N on the keyboard. Then on the Tool section, go to Advanced, then check Auto Remove Tool. Now, when you fill in the blank, it will remove the fill guides automatically. The next tip is how to separate strokes. If you want to quickly separate the strokes, select the strokes, then press Shift-V to separate. Then press M to move to a new folder. Then you can add the rig. As you can see, the hand is not moving with the arm. This is because the hand is not assigned to the rig. In order to quickly assign the hand to the rig, select the hand in Edit mode. Then turn on Multi-Frame, then select all the keyframes. This enables you to assign all the hands to the bones at the same time. Then go to Vertex Group section, then click Assign. Now all of them move with the hand bone. I created this Morty animation using the interpolation method. I only used this comic strip as a reference for the first and the end frames, then used the interpolation tool for the in-between frames. Basically, how you do is just create the first frame, then the end frame. Then place the playhead at the center of the keyframes, then apply the interpolation.